Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Stable Diffusion, and I'm going to show you how to install Automatic 1111 WebUI on your Nvidia based computer. So let's get started. So you go to Stable Diffusion website and you see these requests here where you need to install Python 3.10.6. Don't install any other or upgraded version. Keep this one only, because old version to new version actually do not work properly with Automatic 1111. You also need to install Git, and that all you need as a prerequisite. Rest everything is quite simple. So let's start by installing Python. So we go here and I will download 64-bit installation. Now I have to download the latest version of Git. So I click here and download the Git. So first I will install Python. Now when you install Python, make sure you select these two things, add to path and install it for all users. Okay, so I will install it. So setup is successful. Now the second is a Git. This is a little bit lengthy, but you do not need to check anything. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After installing Python and Git, go to the same Automatic 1111 page and go to this section that says Nvidia recommended. You click here and then we will download the package. We need to first download this program, or you can say a zip file. I click here and I will download this file. See, this one. At present, this is the latest version which is updated on 9th November 2023. So I will simply download this file and save this file here again. Let me first extract this data here. Okay, now I have the data file, and this is the one which we are going to use. Now what we need to do, we need to update the bat file. So I will click here. Okay, now it is run. So I click OK, and then I have to click on update this run file. Okay, now this when I click on run, it will take some time to download everything, and that is the only thing that you need to do. That is the beauty of this particular package. You do not need to do anything manually. It will download everything from the server automatically, configure everything, and once it is finished, you are up and ready to run the Stable Diffusion. Yeah, there are some command line arguments that you need to add up, but that depends according to the system to system. But the initial install is very simple. You first install the prerequisites, then download this full file from this website and you put it wherever you want, and just run two steps, like first update.bat, then the run.bat. That's it, and everything will be automatically completed. See, it's quite simple, right? Nothing more tech savvy, quite simple. So let this thing get completed. Once it is completed, we will proceed further. So the progress is going on, and if you see the simplicity of this particular way of installation, that you don't even need to download the model, it will be done by itself. So that is quite interesting, because previously you need to go to Hugging Face account and download it. So here it is doing automatically, so quite easy. So let's wait, let it get completed. Okay. So once the installation is complete, it will launch the environment in your browser. Also, once the installation is complete, you will get a default URL which starts with 127. You don't need to save it, but if you want, you can bookmark it, because when you run your web user UI, it will automatically launch the environment. So now let's try to do a small test. Okay. So I'm going to put a random prompt with just random setting, no negative prompt at this time, to just test whether the environment is working properly or not. So just a basic prompt, and we will test the environment and see what happens. So the generation is completed and our environment is working properly. So let's discuss about some more tips that is going to make your environment more stable, and we will also cover some more troubleshooting if you face any error while creating. So now let's give us a brief look on WebUI and -user.wat file. This is my file, which you will find here in this folder here, and you can also create a shortcut like this. You can send it to the desktop and make a shortcut. Now, what is special about this file, and what we can add in this file to make our environment much better? So the first thing that you will notice is this xformers. Now if you go to this page, you will see the description. Briefly, it improves your web UI performance and speed up your image generation. Update check is something which update your environment. Then we have two other thing, that is, if you see little bit green or black image got generated, you can add these two arguments. Apart from that, then there are some other commands that you can add, like nan-exception or no half VAE. Now if your RAM, the VRAM is less than 8, so you can add this command, and if it is lower than 6, around 4 GB, then you can add this one. Rest everything is quite depend on your computer. Like you can add git pull. It is quite advised, because whenever you launch your web user UI, it will connect and try to update your automatic 11.11. So that's it, guys. It's all about the video, and if you have any questions or query and suggestion, please do comments and I will try to respond you. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to this channel, and we will meet soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.